Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 10. Stop one heart from breaking. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 3, we will learn today verb as an adjective, how we can use a verb as an adjective, and we will cover a page number 96. Before in English for grade 5, we have already learned about adjectives. That what are adjectives, my dear students? I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are recognize meaning of common adjectives and verbs in relation to each other. So today we will learn about verb as an adjective. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Maryam, verse number 31, and He has made me blessed wherever I am. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah has blessed us even where I am and even where we are. We are always under the blessings of Almighty Allah. We are ever blessed by Almighty Allah. So we should be thankful to Almighty Allah, and let's pray that Allah must make us to the right path, to think and to walk on right path. Okay, Ameen. So let's refresh our knowledge, my dear students. Here is a question for you. What do you know about verbs? Yes, what do you know about verbs? Excellent. Next question is there. What are adjectives? Yes, my dear teachers, get answer from your students. What are adjectives? Good job, because already we have learned about verbs also and adjectives also. Now we are going to learn about both at a time. What are verbs? Action of subject is called verb. Every action that we do, i.e. mental action or physical action, is called verb. So what is verb? Action of subject is called verb. Every action that we do, this is called verb. I'm speaking, speak is an action. I'm moving my hand, move is an action. You are sitting in your class, sit is an action. Yes, my dear students, you are also listening me. So you're listening me, so listen is an action. Good. So let's see that. What is think? So he is thinking. So when we are thinking, so which is this action, my dear students? This action is called mental action. Okay, which type of action this is? This is mental action while we are thinking. So this is related with our mentality. Next is there climb. Look how he is climbing. So this climb is which type of action? Yes, my dear students, physical action. This is physical. Look, whole body is involved while he is climbing. So this is physical action. What is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It tells more about a noun. It qualifies the nature of a noun or a pronoun. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, already we have discussed before also. So what is an adjective? Adjective always tells us more about a noun, that which type of noun that is. It will qualify a noun or a pronoun. So what is a noun? Noun is a naming word, and when we replace a noun, so this is called a pronoun. So that this adjective tell us how we can explain the nature of a noun, that which type of noun that is. See in these examples like fresh flower. So flower is an noun, and fresh is an adjective. So it is telling us that this flower is fresh. Dark clouds. Yes, so dark clouds. So clouds, what? Noun, and dark is an adjective. It is qualifying clouds. Yes, my dear students. So see there are a few examples there is for you. This game excites me. Yes. So can you guess that? This game excites me. It means I'm so excited like this game. Game is an noun, and excite is a verb. Excite is a verb, my dear students. So see there in next example, we have changed this example. So see and judge. This game is exciting. Yes, my dear students. So did you feel anything? Yes, you're right. This game excites me. There, excite is a verb. It is giving an action. And this game is exciting. This is an adjective. So we have changed that verb into an adjective. So there is a way how we can change a verb into an adjective. So see there, let's learn how we can change. A verb can be changed into adjective by adding suffixes ie, ed, ing, able, full, less, rve at the end of the verb. At the end of the verb, we can also that we can change a verb as an adjective when we will add suffixes. We have already learned, my dear students, about suffixes. So you can see, you can remember that in grade 4, we have already on page number 33, my dear students, we have already learned about prefixes and suffixes. So we can also next, we can remind that what are suffixes? Suffixes are words that come at the end of the root word. Yes, my dear students. So what are suffixes? Suffixes are words that comes at the end of the root word. When we want to change its nature according to parts of speech, then we add suffixes. Okay, good. So see there, read, able, readable. Yes, my dear students. So did you judge anything? Read is a verb and able is a suffix that I have added. So it is made as readable. Now it is an adjective. Good. Help. Help is a verb. When I have added full, so it has made like verb and adjective helpful. She's very helpful lady. Okay. I need some help. He helped me. So this is verb. She is very helpful lady. So now I have changed that help into an adjective. And what we did? Yes, I have added a suffix. So full, one thing more I want to tell my dear teachers and my dear students, when we use full as a suffix, then we have to omit its L, because F-U-L-L, full. So when we are adding as a suffix, so we must change that L into single. Next example is this, excite, ing, exciting. So now excite is a verb, my dear students, and what I did, I added ing as a suffix. So now it is an adjective. Next examples, my dear students, faint, ing, fainting. In our poem, we have already learned fainting Robin. So Robin is a bird and fainting is qualifying that verb. Next is attract, IVE I added attractive. Attract is a verb and IV is, now when I have added is as a suffix, so it is an adjective. Next is endless, endless, end is a verb and when I have added suffix less, so now it is an adjective. So have you got, my dear students, how we can change a verb into an adjective? Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, by the help of suffixes. Good job. Now let's perform an activity. This is an interesting activity for you, my dear students. Yes, my dear teachers, draw 2 columns on the board, verb and adjective. Make pair of students and call them near the board. One student will write verb and other will change this verb into an adjective. If they do correctly, they will get a point. Engage whole class in the activity. Yes, my dear teachers, so have you got instructions that what you will do? You will draw 2 columns and then you will make pairs and you will call students near the board. Perform this activity, pause the video, perform this activity and engage whole class and enjoy. Welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed and also you have got how we can change a verb into an adjective. This is an interesting topic, my dear students. So yes, now it's time to perform an individual activity. Open book, page number 96. There is a question number 6. Use the correct form of each verb to complete the sentences. They all are verb and we have to change them into adjective. So way I have given you, my dear students. So now perform this activity on your book and then come back. Excellent job. Good. So what's our homework today? Write 10 verbs and change them into an adjective in your notebooks in the shape of columns. So you will draw columns and you will change verbs into adjective. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet link is given below. Download it and provide it to your students in printed form and check how knowledge they have got about adjectives. So what we have covered today? Today we learned about verb and adjective. We learned that how we can change a verb into an adjective by adding suffixes, and this way we have covered up SLO, recognize meaning of common adjectives and verbs in relation to each other. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed and you have got much knowledge about verb and an adjective. Tomorrow with a new lecture. We see you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.